Hello, everyone. Welcome back to We the Travelers, where we bring you unfiltered travel information. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to get your Angkor Wat tickets. Let's get started. First things first, the official website for getting your Angkor Wat tickets is the same as the one for obtaining your Cambodia e-visa. You'll find the link in the description below. Also, check out my other video on getting a Cambodian e-visa on my channel. Scroll down the page, and you'll find the option to get Angkor Wat tickets. There are 3 types of tickets: a 1-day ticket for $37, a 3-day ticket for $62, and a 7-day ticket for $72. Choose the one that fits your travel plans. Click on the Read More option, and you'll be redirected to a detailed page about the tickets. On this page, you'll find all the information you need. In the top right corner, there's the option to buy the tickets. There's also a special ticket option for tourists with a 2-year residence visa, but today we'll focus on the regular tickets. Click the Buy Tickets button, and you'll be taken to a login page. Make sure to sign in with your email before applying for the ticket. Once you're logged in, you can choose between an Angkor Wat ticket and a Koh Temple ticket. For this video, we'll stick with Angkor Wat. Select the type of ticket you want and the date of your visit. Note that you cannot buy a ticket for the same day. I'm selecting a 3-day ticket, which is valid for any 3 days within 7 days from the date of entry. Click Next. On the next page, you'll need to upload your photograph, gender, age group, and nationality. You can also add multiple people if you're buying tickets for a group. For this example, I'll be buying a single ticket. Click Next. On the final page, verify your details and click Submit. The last step is to make the payment. You can use a credit card for this. Once the payment is made, you'll receive your ticket at your registered email address. Here's what your ticket will look like. It includes your photograph, ticket validity, and a QR code that will be scanned every time you enter a temple, and sometimes even when entering the Angkor Wat complex. You can show the ticket on your mobile. And that's it. I hope this video helps you get your Angkor Wat ticket smoothly. If you're looking for more unfiltered travel information, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and happy traveling.